Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a common issue many Toyota Highlander owners might face. We've got a Highlander here that's had its starter replaced just 2 months ago. Now, I'm not here to point fingers at the previous mechanic. Sometimes, parts just don't live up to expectations. It turns out the starter that was installed wasn't the most robust option, and unfortunately it didn't hold up. This is a great example of why choosing quality components matters. When it comes to critical parts like starters, opting for a reliable brand, like this Bosch starter we're putting in today, can save you a lot of headaches down the road. We want to ensure your Highlander is running smoothly and dependably, and that starts with using parts you can trust. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next one.
He's cool. Driving over his house. Yeah, dude. Second one today. Crazy, right? Yeah.